Do you want to target those keywords where you literally have to pay $0 for an ad on Google Ads? So if you want to know more about this, then you have to watch this video. So let's get started in this video. So can we target $0 CPC keywords in Google Ads? I'm planning to run a Google Ads campaign aimed at a specific audience using highly targeted intent driven keywords. However, some of the keywords have no CPC value assigned to them. I'm curious to know, is it possible to use $CPC keywords in a Google Ads campaign? Are there any changes or limitations I should be aware of when targeting such keywords? Any insights or experience would be greatly appreciated. Okay, so this may be a new question, but I welcome all of these questions. Whenever if you're running to try to run the campaign, and if you're going to see over here or run your in when you're trying to run on keyword planner, and when you see some keywords which has a $0 CPC keywords, let me tell you this answer. Okay, and practically you have to pay a minimum of $0.01 on Google Ads. This is a minimum amount you have to pay for each keyword, and this may only be possible through highly optimized quality score based campaign, or when there are no specific advertiser based competition in the targeted region or wherever you are targeting. So this is possible. However, that sometimes it happens that due to the low search volume, the data is not available for the amount of CPC. Also, the CPC is yet to be assigned based on your past history data. So the past history data actually determines your quality score through which the Google can assign and assume a specific amount for each CPC, for each keyword CPC. But maybe your account is new, which is why this is not showing. But in either scenario, you cannot run. So $0.01 is a minimum amount you have to pay. And the challenges or limitations you should be aware of when targeting such keywords is that you may eventually have to pay the money. Sometimes it's a carrier-based trademark registration through to which none of the anyone can target on these keywords. So there may be another type of keywords on which there is a trademark or a law which actually enforces you to not to run ads. So this can be another thing as well. So in reality, there is no such keyword where you can target with $0, but the minimum amount set by the Google algorithm is a $0.01 for each keyword to run the ads. So I hope this answers your question. And in case if you need a Google Ads audit setup or management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.